Hello and welcome to this episode of Footprints. I'm Bob Jones. Praised for being cheap, lightweight and durable, plastic revolutionized the way we live. From packaging and clothing to construction and electronics, it's become deeply woven into our daily lives. But its convenience comes at a staggering cost. According to the World Economic Forum, more than 460 million metric tons of plastic are produced every year, and around 20 million tons end up polluting our environment. The consequences are painfully visible. Plastic waste chokes our oceans, smothers beaches, and turns fertile land barren. The damage runs even deeper. Scientists are now detecting microplastics in formula, breast milk, and even the air we breathe. But what if we could build a better future using plastic waste? In Pakistan, Dr. Waqas Ahmed Khan is turning it into sustainable eco-bricks, helping clean up our planet.
Pakistan is facing a plastic crisis, generating 3 million tons annually, with most of it is mismanaged. This scenario for Pakistan increases my motivation to do a project, and my recent key project is converting plastic waste into something valuable that aligns with the circular economy solutions.
At first glance, Khan's eco-bricks look just like ordinary construction bricks, but don't be fooled. These innovative blocks boast durability and water resistance, making them ideal for use on university campuses, roadsides, and mosque courtyards. The recipe is simple. Eco-bricks are made from clean plastic waste mixed with sand and natural binders. These nature-based additives such as clay, lime, or plant fibers give the bricks strength and durability without the need for chemical additives. The process is straightforward and impressively fast. In about 20 minutes, a single batch can turn out about 25 sturdy eco-bricks.
We sort plastic first, and then we shred it and we mix it with different binders that helps to bind the eco brick. We use some kind of nature-based solutions, the product that is present in the nature, and we insert that product in our brick, and then we mold our brick with the help of compression molding, and at last through the compression molding our brick take a shape.
The spark for this innovation began in 2017. When Khan attended an environmental protection forum in Egypt. There, a workshop on converting plastic waste into eco-bricks left a lasting impression on him, especially as he reflected on the growing plastic crisis in his own home country. Determined to bring the solution home, Khan dived into research to adapt the technology using locally sourced materials and machinery in Pakistan. That vision led to the founding of Enter Tech Group in 2023. Today, with a team of 150 staff members, the company is reshaping the future, brick by brick. In the beginning, it was far from easy. Many doubted the safety of using plastic in construction, worried it might catch fire at high temperatures. But Khan assures us that won't happen, thanks to the special nature-based additives in the eco-bricks.
We are using the nature-based additives in it, and we are crushing the plastic so small that it meets with all the other ingredients, and it is helping as an insulator. So where the temperature is high, this brick is helping as an insulator to reduce the temperature from inside the building and outside the building when it will be installed, because it is helping as an insulator material.
It's easy to imagine how many doors were closed in his face, but Khan didn't lose hope. Drawing on his university days where he was involved in student activism and majored in environmental sciences, he had built a strong network of like-minded individuals. Many of them were now working in academia, in addition to professors that taught him before.
When I was in university, I was a general secretary of different environmental societies. So I was the captain of chess club team, because there are many universities which have my class fellows. They are working in it, and personally, I know many of the professors who are HODs, head of departments of environment department. They know me personally before the project.
So, he turned to several universities in Lahore, presenting his eco-brick proposal. To his relief, the University of Central Punjab said yes, agreeing to use 500 of his eco-bricks on their campus grounds. The results were promising, and the word began to spread. Slowly but surely, demand began to grow. A steady stream of plastic waste is the heartbeat of eco-brick production. When Khan stepped into the recycling scene in Lahore, capital city of the province of Punjab, he quickly realized a big player was already scooping up plastic by the tons. So, to make his mark, Khan had to get creative and generous. The biggest chunk of the plastic he uses comes straight from neighborhoods.
Our workers go to the household, they carry all the waste and then separate and sort out the plastic waste. We are working currently with the 15 housing society who has around 1 million people. At first, the people don't really interact with us. They were not so friendly with us. We have solution to incentivize. We give them a plastic shoppers, we give them a bins, or even we give them a different incentives that take people to give us a more and more plastic.
But Khan didn't stop at homes. He also set up 5 reverse vending machines in local universities. Students can drop their empty bottles into the machines and instantly earn digital rewards redeemable at 1,500 nearby shops. The deal is pretty sweet. 10 plastic bottles earn 500 Pakistani rupees, nearly $2. The shop owners love it too, as it's a win-win. Supporting this initiative helps them fulfill their corporate social responsibility in the country, contributing to causes like disaster relief, education, healthcare, and community livelihoods. To date, Khan has signed momentum understandings with 7 universities in Lahore. So far, his team has collected around 5,000 tons of plastic waste. 10,000 eco-bricks will be installed in several university campuses in Lahore next year. Recently, his company partnered with the Punjab government, paving the way for eco-bricks to be used in public roadside projects, and for 50 reverse vending machines to be installed across the province next year. Turning plastic into eco-bricks is only one piece of Khan's mission. His bigger goal is to raise public awareness about environmental protection and ultimately change habits. That's why he runs monthly workshops, capacity building sessions, and seminars in residential neighborhoods, schools, and universities, along with quarterly community cleanup campaigns. Khan believes that young people are the future, and that's why he actively encourages them to get involved.
We believe in change. That change begins with the awareness and inclusion. That's why we conduct a huge range of hands-on training, hands-on workshops, and in different universities and with the different NGOs, because inclusion of the youth and the gender, we believe, is one of the most important part.
He still vividly recalls the warm moment he realized his efforts were truly making an impact. After he taught primary students about the hazards of plastic waste, they carried the message home. The next day, they brought a large bundle of plastic waste from their families.
I go to school to the children of not more than 6 years, 7 years students. The next day they collect a huge amount of plastic, and we ask them from where they get it. So that was a very cute and heart-touching reply I get, that our mother gives the whole waste plastic from our house. A very good message for me, that we are just not changing the individual, we are creating a change, creating a behavior change in the whole family through the mother, and that was one of the most heart-touching moments for me.
Khan understands that for his initiative to thrive in the long run, it needs economic value. That's why he creates more job opportunities for women, aiming not only to strengthen the project, but also to promote gender equality. As he puts it, we are creating hope, we are creating dignity, and we are creating economic uplift for circular economy. Currently, Khan is actively improving his eco-bricks, hoping that nature-based products will be able to absorb carbon dioxide in the air. Over the next 5 years, Khan aims to boost production and expand into other countries, including Nepal, Myanmar, and China. Just last month, he pitched his project to several game changers in Suzhou, China, while attending the 2025 World Youth Development Forum. Khan knows the plastic crisis won't vanish overnight, but with every bottle collected, every eco-brick laid, and every young person inspired, he's proving that small actions can build a lasting legacy. His journey is a reminder that innovation isn't just about technology, it's about people, persistence, and purpose. With that, we conclude this episode of Footprints. If you are interested in learning more incredible stories of individuals, key in Footprints, and you can find us wherever you get your podcasts. I'm Bob Jones. Bye for now.